So you remember how I've told you in past videos that when you're changing a motor, you pull it out and you go to put it in, double check your block dowels. Because sometimes one will get hung up in a motor, one will get hung up in a transmission, and then a new motor either won't have them or it'll have one where there's already one in the tranny, and then you have a problem lining stuff up. Well, check this out. So I'm doing an HHR motor. This thing right here, Chevy HHR. And they hit something in the road, tore the oil pan off, and they blew the motor in the process. So there's a block dowel or guide, whatever you want to call that. And there's one that goes there. So now if you look on the transmission, there it is. It's stuck inside the transmission right there. All right, so I'm glad I was paying attention to that. So then you come over to the motor, which is over here, and this is the motor I just pulled out yesterday from a Chevy Cobalt. And here it is right here. And if you look, it's got the one block dowel just like the other one. And amazingly enough, that one came out in this one also. So this one is actually stuck in the transmission, which that transmission I actually stuck back in the car. This way I know where it is. But there again, all I'm pointing out is something that simple can really screw you up. So always pay attention to it. So now I'm going to take this motor that I just took out and I'm going to lay it next to that motor because they're out of two totally different cars, but it's the same motor. And I want to see what's the same. I got a funny feeling the exhaust manifolds are different. Also, the motor out of the Cobalt has air injection, whereas the motor out of the HHR does not. So I need to see what that entails. There may just be a block-off plate, I'm not quite sure. The motors look physically the same. So, I don't know, we got to see. The oil pans are actually different, believe it or not. So I have a correct oil pan for this one. So I got to swap it over because, like I said, the oil pan on that one got destroyed. They hit something in the road, and by the time they pulled over or realized what had happened, they already blew the motor up. So, yeah, so that's about it. I'm going to lay this thing down on the ground next to that one. And like I said, I'm going to compare everything. I just want to see what I have to change, what I have to mess with. So that's about it for now. If you get anything out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.